As the man discreetly tossed his gold bars into the furnace during his boss's return on the Mid-Autumn Festival, the precious metal swiftly transformed into a shimmering liquid. The stakes were high. Failing to locate the gold bar upon the boss's return would spell trouble. Meet a skilled processing factory technician specializing in crafting brass faucets. The intricate process begins by placing the faucet casting into a mold, followed by the careful pouring of molten liquid. This fills every gap in the mold, creating a hollow structure around the central casting. Rapid solidification occurs, and with a deft hand, Jigong opens and discards the mold. After a cooling interlude, the next phase commences. Another technician adeptly extracts and dispatches parts to the next station. The subsequent steps involve meticulous cleaning of sand-laden parts, a mesmerizing dance in the machine, and the addition of threads using a lathe. The initially rough part now demands uniform polishing for a flawless finish. While many operations remain manual, the team orchestrates shifts during peak periods to meet high demand. The polished faucets emerge as aesthetic marvels. Transitioning to electroplating, technicians delicately hang faucets on racks, immersing them in a system that rides surfaces of oil. Through continuous electrolysis, cleanliness prevails before the commencement of nickel plating, a barrier against corrosion and a booster of wear resistance. Chrome plating swiftly follows, enhancing the faucet's strength and hardness. The grand finale signals completion. Mechanics place the assembled faucets into boxes, primed for distribution and sale. These durable faucets promise years of reliable service, often exceeding a decade without a hint of damage. If you want to enrich your knowledge, then while you are waiting, subscribe, my dear friend, just subscribe, and share with your friends.